Local news for Friday the 3rd of November. Brent Gare's Luke Rosemergy has been named runner-up in the 2017 Young Breed Baker of the Year competition. Luke receives $5,000 towards research, and judging coordinator Tanya Watson of the New Zealand Association of Bakers says she was impressed with the high calibre of contestants this year. The competition requires entrants to demonstrate their ability in 3 areas: a 5-hour practical baking exercise in which they bake a variety of bread-based products, a 90-minute exam which tests their theoretical knowledge of baking technology, and a presentation on a given topic. Events coordinator David Sims from the Carterton Event Centre has been nominated for the Priava Rising Star of the Year award. The award is part of the Entertainment Venues Association of New Zealand Awards, with winners announced at the awards dinner held at the St James Theatre in Wellington on Monday the 20th of November. Local band Spank will perform at the 2017 Wellington semi-finals of the Battle of the Bands. The semis are held over 2 nights, tonight and tomorrow, with Spank playing tomorrow night at the venue Valhalla. And in sport, the Umpires Cup cricket action weekend heats up this weekend with Greytown hosting Lansdowne and Rathgill playing Red Star. In the second grade, Marist play Greytown and Lansdowne play Red Star, with Carterton expecting a bye. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.